Hi sweeties, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you have not already. Then let's get into these candied spare ribs. Take a look at my Ribs 101 video, and that'll tell you the difference between pork baby back, spare ribs, and St. Louis style ribs. You're going to peel this membrane off the back to make the ribs much more tender and then season. I'll put a link to my seasoning blend in the description box. Then we're going to wrap it tightly in foil all the way around so it'll cook in its own juices. While that's cooking, you're going to make the candied part of it with brown sugar, a little smoked paprika, some cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat to balance out that sweet, and then some cinnamon. Just stir it up to combine well. I made a double batch because I'm doing 2 racks of ribs. Unwrap those ribs and then sprinkle an even layer of the sugar mixture over the ribs. Save some for your second rack if you've got another one going. And then we're going to put it under the broiler. Watch it closely because it can burn quickly. Then flip it over and put a little bit of that sugar mixture on the other side of the ribs because you got to get both sides. And try to make an as even layer as you can so that you don't have some clumps of sugar in some places and none in the other places. Then we're going to go back under our broiler. Please don't get on YouTube or Facebook or anything. Stay with the ribs and watch them. Be very careful so they don't burn. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's a thing of beauty right there. Oh my goodness. You're going to trim them up and cut them into serving portions. These ribs are so tender because they cooked wrapped in foil in their own juices. Oh, here's that second rack. Look at the bubbling brown sugar on that. And as it cools, it makes like a candied shell on the top of those ribs. My goodness. It crackles between your teeth. You got a little sweet from that brown sugar, spicy from the cayenne, and smoky from the smoked paprika. Man, this is a winner, a real winner. So I hope you give this recipe a shot. If you do, please leave me a comment in the description box below. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, sweeties. Please subscribe and have a delicious day.